omukoro gwaguruma kusima abwanyakaije kusima kamakumyana ombuhereza omuno kurundana sente zo kombeka ekyombeko ahi barashomeremo amashomo agakwata n'emyoga kwatandika no kwemuruka okwatanca omururembo rwambara nabwanyuma aba bayirundanira omushayi cy'ishomero rya Nyakajo Senior Secondary School omuri Nyakajo Mbarara City South Constituency.
Sekoro yitu simehanga kwa Nyakajo at 40 years.
4 decades. A decade is 10 years. So that is a big milestone. And actually our greatest attention would have been on those who have walked the gates of this school, great school. But we still have a challenge. Many of our people have not fully appreciated and understood the beauty of having gone through a school and identifying with the school and supporting the school.
Omjenyi mukuru mukorogo yaba mukuru w'ihanga Yoweri Kaguta Museveni biti abasa kwikaho yajwekiza Minister Raphael Magezi Minister kutwara government zebyanga
ekikuritwe honorable minister twinaha ahameza twenda sente taruki kandi twenda sente zo kombeka baba kushoborire nshonga ngurubenda ngomwanyogu haze muskills ninge by'abana barayije bakakoze mukono rero bagaruka mukaninga nabaruga mubaheza kibagasire ombere byanyense
Engalo ezindi bantamukama
yanja abiri kombeka bakashano whatever.
I bring you his greetings. I bring you his appreciation. I bring you his best wishes. And this is a letter by himself.
Yashaba abashomesa nabeji kongera man omashomo gakwatirine nemyoga Uganda hiyayika neyenda abantu abarukangaho emirimo nchikonja kuranisa ibura lyemirimo mu ihanga.
The education sector over the years is visible to all. The recognition for commitment to promotion of science, expansion of education, governance and security, including contribution to the East African integration and gender mainstreaming in education, is a record of our resolute passion and vision to see that our country surpasses other economies of the world.
Ba Obis na ba Ogis abwanyakajo Senior Secondary School okwisi myaka 80 bamwe babaro nabanja kwatiraho ishemerere mukuru w'ihanga yakwatiraho Nyakajo Senior Secondary School abwabombeka na miliyoni 50 omukoro gwabasa kuwa barundi ne miliyoni ezarenga omuri nshanju.
His Excellency the President's contribution to fundraising of 50 million shillings.
Engalo zamani engalo
I can see the OBs are standing very quickly.
I want to take this opportunity to thank the chairman of the Rising Committee and all the people that have helped him to make sure that this function becomes a success. I cannot forget to thank all the boys and girls of this school. You have done a very good job. I thank you, members.
Nyakajo Senior Secondary School nishomero rya musingi gwekanisa na rukwaturaho government rinabeje abarengere omu 15 rishomesa abana abojo nabishi aba TV West ndisenyomo Gideon Omrimbar.